we rest face down. Rest your arms on the bars. I want you to relax, leave it loose. Feel the pressure. Okay, sir. I want you to stand for me. We're going to utilize some laser. Okay, first stretch out. First stretch like this. Stay. Go back into a face down position. Okay, relax. Go back into the same position. Good. Can I have you standing, please? We're going to utilize some laser. Laser with motion. 1, 2, 3, go. All the way back and follow through and flourish and hold. And back, all the way, hold and swing. Good. Swing and hold, hold. And again, swing, hold. Good. Hold. And again, hold. How is that for you? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Good. Now I want you to bend forwards and back. So bend forwards. Back, arch back, 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 back. I'm here to support so you can bend freely. Bend forwards. And back. Bend forwards. And back. Bend forwards. Back. Bend forwards. Good. And come up. Now, sir, I want you to bend side to side. To one side, all the way. All the way. Okay, let's have you come up straight. I want you to bend purely to the side, not forward.
Okay.
Purely to the side.
Like that.
Yes, so it will be less.
Yeah.
movement.
Okay.
Go. Good. Now, I want you to rotate. I want you to rotate. Keep your feet fixed and rotate your body to turn towards me. Yes? And then you'll do the same in the opposite direction. Go. Forward. Yes. And again, yes. Raise your arms like this. Yeah? Yes. So like, yeah. So like this, huh? Like this.
Okay.
And full body. Yeah? Stand straight and rotate. Good. Now what I want you to do is, come up. Have a seat. Sit in the back. Keep the feet on the ground. Let the arms hang. Perfect, sir. You'll be fine.
And I just realized when I used to try and go to the gym in the earlier, not recently but a couple of years back, I used to get pain on these 2 points here. You know where the ligaments are here,
Yes.
where the rotator.
Yes.
And because of that, I couldn't do any weight training exercises
Yes.
because I couldn't
Yes.
pull it up
Yes.
because of the pain which was going in. Do you think that was related to this back thing, or it's just
Absolutely. There's a big connection between the neck and the shoulders.
Mm.
I'm looking forward to you getting more and more mobile as we go along.
Yeah.
You're doing fine.